Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some cozy and timeless home decor ideas with country style. Let's take a look. The style often features soft colors, wooden furniture, floral fabrics, vintage-inspired accessories, and handmade touches. Here are some cozy and timeless country-style decor tips. Try open cupboards, displaying pretty crockery and glassware on open shelves, or glass front cabinets creates a relaxed, lived-in look. Choose edged finishes. Slightly distressed or weathered finishes can give furniture a charming sense of history. Decorate with ceramics. Cream, white, softly colored ceramic pages add a simple and elegant country character. Hang fabric curtains. Lightweight linen or cotton curtains can soften windows while keeping the room bright and welcoming. Display oven baskets. Place baskets near seating areas, entryways, or bedrooms for attractive everyday storage. Layer different textures. Combine smooth ceramics, rough wood, soft cotton, oven baskets, and textured fabrics for visual interest. Create a welcoming entryway. Add a wooden bench, oven basket, a small mirror, and a few seasonal decorations near the entrance. Use seasonal flowers. Change your floral arrangements throughout the year to keep the decor fresh while maintaining the same country style. Add a vintage mirror. A traditional framed mirror can make a room feel brighter while adding character. Decorate with books. Stick a few beautiful books on a wooden table or shelf to create a relaxed, lived-in appearance. Use simple centerpieces. A ceramic vase with flowers or wooden bowl with seasonal greenery can make a lovely table decoration. Mix old and new. Combine modern comforts with vintage-inspired pieces so the home feels timeless rather than like a themed room. Keep everything inviting. The most important feature of country decor is creating a space that feels comfortable, relaxed, and welcoming. Add a window seat. If space allows, create a small window seat with cushions and a soft throw for a peaceful country-style nook. Choose linen tablecloths. A soft linen tablecloth can instantly make a dining area feel relaxed and elegant. Create a tea corner. Arrange a tray with cups, a teapot, jars, and a small vase of flowers to create a charming country-inspired corner. Decorate with jugs. Ceramic or enamel jugs filled with flowers make beautiful centerpieces for kitchens, dining rooms, and living spaces. Use layered wall decor. Combine a mirror, botanical plants, small frames, and simple shelves to create an interesting but relaxed wall arrangement. Decorate kitchen shelves. Mix crockery, wooden boards, glass jars, baskets, and small plants for an inviting country kitchen display. Keep furniture functional. Display handmade crafts, favorite ceramics, old books, or meaningful decorative objects to give the space a personal story. Use simple floral curtains. Small-scale floral curtains can soften a room while maintaining the traditional country atmosphere. Focus on comfort first. Choose colors, textures, and furniture that make the room feel peaceful and welcoming rather than simply following trends. Use a soft color accent. Add muted shades, dusty rose, faded blue, or warm mustard through small accessories. Add a farmhouse style dresser. A traditional wooden dresser can provide useful storage while becoming a beautiful focal point. Display pretty pictures. Place ceramic or glass pictures on shelves, tables, or kitchen counters for a simple country touch. Use embroidered details. Embroidered cushions, runners, or small fabric pages can handmade charm. Decorate with wooden bowls. Fill a wooden bowl with seasonal fruit, pine cones, or greenery for an easy centerpiece. Use floral cushions. Small floral cushions can bring countryside charm to otherwise simple sofas and chairs. Use baskets for blankets. Keep cozy throws in a large open basket beside the sofa or reading chair. Add a peg rail. A wooden peg rail in the kitchen or entryway provides practical storage with a traditional country feel. Choose timeless flooring. Wood, stone, or simple natural looking flooring can provide a strong foundation for country decor. Use traditional artwork. Landscapes, botanical illustrations, fruit prints, and countryside scenes can complement the style. Create a cozy bedroom. Layer cotton bedding, quilts, cushions, and soft curtains to make the bedroom feel peaceful and inviting. Decorate bedside tables simply. A small lamp, ceramic vase, book, and tiny plant are enough to create a charming bedside display. Add a handmade touch. Crochet blankets, knitted cushions, pottery, or handmade baskets can make the home feel unique and personal. Add a farmhouse style cabinet. Choose a simple wooden cabinet with classic doors to provide storage while adding country character. Decorate with animal wear. White or muted animal containers can bring a nostalgic countryside touch to kitchens and utility spaces. Use a wooden stool. A small wooden stool can work as a plant stand, side table, or decorative accent. Choose classic lampshades. Fabric lampshades with subtle patterns can soften the lighting and complement traditional furniture. Use soft bedding. Cotton or linen bedding in gentle colors make a country bedroom feel fresh and relaxed. Add a vintage style trunk. A wooden or fabric covered trunk can provide storage while doubling as a decorative piece. Use natural wall textures. Wood paneling, lime wash inspired finishes, or subtle textured walls can add depth without overwhelming the room. Add a small indoor garden. Group a few easy care plants in different sized pots to create a relaxed natural corner. Choose classic curtains. Full-length cotton or linen curtains with sapling stripes or florals can frame windows beautifully. Mix practical and decorative items. Country decor works especially well when everyday objects are attractive enough to become part of the decoration. Let the home tell a story. Combine old-fashioned details, handmade pieces, natural materials, and personal favorites to create a country home that feels genuinely lived in and timeless. Thanks for watching the video.